Airbus Helicopters records 455 orders and 361 deliveries in 2024. Airbus Helicopters recorded 455 gross orders in 2024, with a net total of 450, reflecting steady growth in a competitive global market. These orders were placed by 182 customers spanning 42 countries, showcasing the company's broad international reach. The company delivered 361 helicopters during the year, securing a 57% share of the civil and parapublic market. CEO Bruno Even attributed the company's success to stable growth and customer trust, noting a near 10% increase in order volume for the second consecutive year. The Super Puma program saw robust demand, with 58 orders from key clients such American Samoa, the German Bundespolizei, Japan Coast Guard, and the Romanian Ministry of National Defense. Additionally, the NH90 platform underwent significant upgrades, including the launch of the Block 1 upgrade and the delivery of new configurations for various defense forces. In defense and security, the H-145 and H-145M programs gained new customers, including the Brunei Air Force and the Irish Ministry of Defence. Airbus Helicopters also played a crucial role in disaster relief efforts, with platforms like the U.S. National Guard's Lakota and the H-135 supporting emergency operations. Innovations in unmanned aerial systems (UAS) and advanced capabilities continued, as Airbus integrated flex rotor into its portfolio and demonstrated crewed-uncrewed teaming with the VSR-700 and H-130. Progress on the European Next-Generation Rotorcraft Initiative further highlighted Airbus' commitment to future technologies. On the civil side, the Racer compound helicopter exceeded its speed target of 407 km/h during initial test flights. Meanwhile, the City Airbus Next-Gen achieved its maiden flight, marking a milestone in urban air mobility. The H-175 advanced towards certification with successful de-icing tests, and the H-160 continued its global deployment, with over 30 units now in operation. Airbus Helicopters also celebrated several significant anniversaries in 2024. These included 40 years of operations in Fort Erie, Canada, and 50 years in the UK, where a new facility was inaugurated in Oxford.